recent report by the WHO was indeed a stunner for me. They have actually discovered a new remedy for COVID-19, which they are exploring further. But what stunned me was something else. This is exactly the remedy mentioned in the Holy Qur'an as remedy for all ailments, even ailments which are extremely difficult to treat. In other words, what WHO is arriving at today was mentioned clearly in the Holy Qur'an so many thousands of years back. What I'm talking about is the extract of a plant by name Nigella sativa, which is known as black jeera or karim jeerakam. So the extract of this plant is known to act as a molecular docking agent, blocking the hemagglutinin esterase of the COVID-19 virus or the SARS-CoV-2 virus, preventing it from attaching and harming the cells of the patient. So this study, which has been published by WHO and very much available in the WHO research database, concurs entirely with what is mentioned in the Holy Qur'an so many thousands of years back, mentioning specifically black jeera as a remedy for ailments which are unknown to you and are difficult for you to treat. So it was actually a divine guidance to a common man. And as of now, Nigella sativa seems extremely promising as a remedy for COVID-19. So much for the sanctity of the holy books. Thank you very much.